All right, so that was just 2 packages of my Pillsbury Toll House. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my clean hands and we're gonna smush down that cookie dough so we get a nice flat layer of our cookie dough. This is just the chocolate chip cookie dough. You could obviously make your own homemade cookie dough, but I wanted this to be a super easy recipe, so I went ahead with the Toll House. Ooh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. All right, that looks perfect. Now I'm coming in with these spooky Oreos, the Halloween ones. Ooh, look at that orange in there. We're gonna go ahead and place our cookies just right on top of our cookie dough, just like so. We want a nice layer of cookies in there. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. I love adding cookies on cookies on cookies. It's literally my favorite thing. This is gonna be the best dessert, honestly, for year round, but obviously I'm adding the spooky Oreos. If you can't find the spooky ones, you could just use the regular Oreos or the double stuffed, whatever you like. Okay, that looks perfect. All right, now I'm coming in with these Reese's Minis. I love these because they're individually wrapped, and we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle those right on top. Ooh, that's gonna be the nice burst of peanut butter in our dessert. And of course, I had to get 2 bags of these so we could fill up the whole pan. Oh my goodness. Woo, that looks delicious. Just make sure they kind of fall in between those Oreos. We get a Reese's Mini in each bite. My goodness, I am so excited to eat these. I could not wait any longer. All right, we're almost done here. Now I have some Biscoff cookie butter. This is the best cookie butter. And we're gonna go ahead and drizzle that right on top of our entire dish. Oh, look at that cookie butter. We're gonna use this whole jar of cookie butter. It's just gonna pack a lot of flavor in here. It's gonna be so delicious. You could use peanut butter if you don't like cookie butter, but I am obsessed with cookie butter, so I had to make that switch. Woo, okay, so that whole jar of cookie butter. Now, for the best part, jumbo marshmallows. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these in half so we can get more surface area covered, just like that. This is gonna be the best texture, like comparison to all those cookies and chocolates. It's just gonna make it nice and fluffy and delicious. I personally love adding marshmallows into this. It's like a s'more, Oreo, Reese's, cookie butter, all the best dessert things in one pan. You can add as many or as little marshmallows as you like. I personally am just gonna try to cover this up here and there. We only have one more ingredient to add after this. This is not for those people that are afraid of sugar. This is for the sugar tooth people like me. I love anything with chocolate and cookie dough. Okay, get a little bit. Last one, I think. Perfect. Ooh, that looks so good. They're sticky. All right, last ingredient. We're keeping the cookie theme going with these cookie dough Oreo cookie doughs. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? It looks so good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these individually and we're just gonna rip them in half and then place them in between those marshmallows, just like this. This is gonna just cook right in with those marshmallows and be so delicious. Oh my, okay, so just quickly, we're gonna use this whole 12 set of cookie dough because we want really these to be like kind of like cookie dough bars. So it's like the bottom is cookie dough and the top is cookie dough, and then it's just stuffed with everything you can love. And there you go. Doesn't that look so decadent? Okay, you guys, my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for only 25 minutes. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Okay, that didn't work, but look at that. Oh, okay, it smells incredible. It looks incredible. It is time to dig in. Normally I would say let this cool down, but you guys know I am impatient. Ooh, so let's go ahead, and I think right here is gonna be the best. Some of that cookie dough. Oh, the peanut butter, the cookie butter. Get at the bottom. Oh, oh my gosh, that cookie butter is everywhere. Oh, Oh yeah. And that bottom cookie dough is perfectly cooked. That looks so good. Okay, let's give this a try. I want some of that marshmallow. Smells delicious. The cookie butter, the cookies and cream cookie, the Reese's, the Oreo. I forgot about the Oreo.